In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating OLM mailbox files to Office 365 using the RecoveryTools OLM Migrator. To install our OLM to Office 365 migration tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. After selecting the mailbox folder, click Select Folder. Use Extracted Mode for Corrupt OLM Files option is useful if your OLM files are corrupted. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the user folders that you want to migrate. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for migration. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the migration, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Now go back to the saving options. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. For example, if the source mailbox uses English folder names such as inbox or sent items, and the destination mailbox uses a different language such as French, enabling this option ensures that emails are migrated to the correct corresponding folders instead of creating new ones. Select I am admin to migrate multiple mailboxes using a global administrator account. Enter the Microsoft 365 email address. Copy it to default folders when enabled. Will migrate emails into standard folders such as inbox, sent, etc. If a folder does not exist in the destination mailbox, the tool will create it automatically. If this option is unchecked, the tool will create a new label using the date and time of the migration. Next, simply click the Connect button, and the program will redirect you to the Microsoft Graph API Authentication window to grant the required permissions. Start the Microsoft authentication process and sign in using the Microsoft 365 Global Administrator account. The API Permissions Request window will open automatically. Review the required permissions and scopes, then click Accept to complete the authorization. If you are signed in as a global administrator with the required permissions, an authentication successful message will be displayed. After this, go back to the tool and the migration will begin. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated OLM mailbox files to Office 365. Click OK and open the Office 365 user mailboxes to check the migrated emails. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.